Okay, how are you doing, everybody? So I have some wood here that I actually got for on sale at Kent. Kent is a local hardware store. Actually, it's quite big. It's like Home Depot here in Nova Scotia. So if you're from Nova Scotia, you've probably heard of Kent. And they actually were selling this for $2 a piece. So I think it's a pretty good deal. So I'm going to build an outdoor bench for this with this wood. And I'm really excited. It's going to be really easy. It's do-it-yourself. Anybody can do it. You can do it. And I'm going to try to do it. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the video. Okay, so this is the bench right here, but it's actually not done. So I didn't have enough wood to make it actually a comfortable size. As you can see, the seat is just a bit too small. So I'm gonna actually have to extend it, and that's not a problem. So I went back to the lumber store, bought some more call wood on sale, and now I'm able to actually extend the seat, and it'll be more of a comfortable size. So thank you so much for watching so far. I'm gonna quickly take it apart, put it back together at the right size, and it's gonna be done. So thank you again. Okay, so this is the bench. It's finally done. Even though I had made a mistake with the size of it, now it's more comfortable to sit on. I can, kind of lay back and enjoy my my time here on the bench. So this is it. Really, pretty sturdy. Again, I only use the amount of wood I used. I could have used more to reinforce it. But definitely came out really awesome. Again, you could do this. Anybody can do this. This is a simple bench build for your backyard or wherever you want to put it. So thank you so much for watching this video again. You guys have a great day. Thank you.